All right, Celeste, this is our core day. We're gonna start with this knees bent, supine position, making sure we have a flat back, not an arched back. Expansively breathe in through the nose, exhale, pull it all together and up. One minute here, and then we're going to do opposite arm and leg of this modified dead bug. Breathe in, breathe out, bring it all together. I'm going to do both sides. 10 per side there for about two-ish rounds of that breath work before we move on to our warm-up, which we're staying on the ground for. It's 10 pelvic tilts and 8 per side bent knee fallouts. So on the pelvic tilts, we are actively letting our back arch and then exhaling and bringing it back together. So it's arching up. And those TAs are bringing it back to a neutral position. All right, those knee fallouts. We have our knees stacked here. We're gonna let it fall to one side as far as we can and still control it to bring it back. So 8 one side, 8 the other side. 2 to 3 rounds of that total. Our core work, which this one's really been getting me, takes me a second on these. We're gonna shoot for 12 to 14 per side of this side plank dip with leg lift and row. So we have this knee bent, we have this forearm and this knee soft hand on the ground. We're going to exhale as we come up into this side plank position and then lift our leg and row back before we return. So nice relaxed state. We're gonna make sure to do both sides on that. So this is our anchor, this is our anchor. Exhale. (12 to 14 per side. Or keep it at the lower reps. We can even go 8 to 10 reps and just increase our weight. Core circuit, if we've not done any lifts, is going to be 30 seconds of bear lifts. So just exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale for 30 seconds into 30 seconds of complete rest. Then we're going to move to 15 seconds per side of a modified Copenhagen plank. So knees bent, arm flat. We're going to try to put all of our weight on the inside of that foot, and you're going to feel some tension here. Breathing, 15 seconds, 15 seconds to the other side. Same thing, this leg is here for stability, but you're trying to push down with that foot. Utilize this muscle here. Try to lift this leg up. You don't physically lift it up, but you're not pressing it down to the floor. You're pressing that other foot to get this muscle working. So 15 seconds each side there, 30 seconds rest, and then 30 seconds of a marching goblet carry. So goblet, the weight is here. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Gaining that stability before we lift the other foot. 30 seconds of rest. We're gonna cycle through that for 8 to 10 minutes. Our mobility for the day is frog pose breathing. On frog pose, you're basically doing a split from your knees, so as wide as you can. Mine's not very wide. And then you're just relaxing onto your forearms, and you can sort of let your backside fall back, like you're being pulled back with a string, and you're just breathing. Working on those inner hip flexor, those adductors, on that inner leg, about 1 to 2 minutes. You can break it into chunks if you need to, of that frog pose breathing. Have fun.